Hey everybody, this is Dylan with Newborn Brothers. So I've been caulking for about 15 years now, and they're always coming out with new and better products. So I'm going to show you a video here on how to load and use a cartridge gun, because when I started out there was no information online about this kind of stuff, and it would have really helped me out just for the simple little things. Some people think nothing of it, but little key points definitely would help you when you're starting out. So this gun is the 250. It's just your basic cartridge caulking gun. It's got the tube spout cutter. It's got the seal poker, your release, your plunger, your trigger. So I'll show you here. You take your cartridge and you cut it with the plunge cutter to the desired length. And then you take the seal poker and you poke it in. Now you always want to make sure that you clean this off, because when you close the poker, if it's all full of caulk, it's just going to end up getting glued to the side of your cartridge. So you want to make sure that this is nice and clean when you're done with it. And then it just slides easily back into the side like that. You pull the plunger all the way back. You load the cartridge in bottom first so that it sits right in the groove. You push in the release and you push the plunger in like that. Now this cartridge has already been opened, so the plunger went in a little bit deeper than, say, if you had a brand new cartridge. Okay, so to use it, this is an 18:1, so it's got a little bit more of a higher thrust ratio, so you're not going to need to squeeze the trigger as hard to get the material to come out, especially with something like this. This is a sanded, siliconized acrylic latex caulk, so it's very thin and easily gunnable compared to, like, say, a PL Premium. So you go in along, you'll go to your joint, and then you just pull the trigger nice and gentle and run your bead along. You want to make sure that you're filling in all of the nooks and crannies so that you don't have any gaps in your caulk. And then you keep running your bead along. Just like that. Now when you're finished, you want to make sure you release the pressure and then snap the gun up. That's it. So if you wanted to unload your cartridge after, pull the plunger, tip it out, and you're done. Close it, easily transportable. Okay, so that's it for today. That was how to load and use a cartridge gun. Again, this is the 250, the Newborn Brothers caulking gun. If you had any questions, you could comment down below, or if you wanted to look up information on the products that was used today, you could also go to the link in the bio and check it out that way. Again, thanks for watching, and see you next time.